Hello everyone,
Hello.
and welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, the place of home and finding craft ales. If you ain't met him before, you won't find him cancelled like the football, it's the world famous Alan Partridge.
This is my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello everyone.
How's it going?
Well, I'm a bit saddened to be fair.
I think we all are, as a nation.
As a nation, on the whole, we're a bit sad to hear that was the passing of the Queen, of course.
Yeah.
Unlike the football, we're not going to cancel ourselves, we're going to do what the Queen would do.
I'll raise a glass to the Queen, quite frankly. That's what we're going to do.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
Respectfully.
Yes. And with that, shall we get on with some beers, bro?
Well, with that, we should get on with some beers, bro. We're going to get on with the guys at Darkrock sent me this one the other week.
Ooh.
It's their Belgian blonde.
Oh, lovely.
Now, it's meant to replicate a Leffy.
Which is what that is there.
Yes. So, I don't think Leffy's our particular beer style. So, what we've got to do really is
compare.
rather than whether it's our taste. I think. So, have a bit of Leffy.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
See what you think of it.
Thank you. Oh, it's got quite a nice hoppy nose.
Yeah. Does feel. I suppose is it a lager Belgian blonde?
It's a Belgian beer then, isn't it?
It's
Really?
a Belgian beer, isn't it? So
it is a beer, I suppose. Obviously, it's carbonated.
yeah.
Yeah, that's quite a nice nose, actually, that one, bro. I'm going in. It's not my thing.
It's not my thing either. It's got that Belgian-y bubblegum slight back note to it.
Yeah, very much so.
Do you not reckon?
Very
All
much so.
Belgian beers tend to have like a bubbly gum back note.
That's the predominant hop they use in them, isn't
Yeah.
it? You know, so
Yeah. It's the style.
it's the style.
If it's your thing,
If
great.
you like it, then you know this is obviously one of those beers. I mean, I could drink it on a hot day if you
I
like.
think on a hot day, I actually find that quite refreshing actually.
Right.
Probably, like I say, a bit too low rest for my liking.
Yes. So now this is the one from Darkrock Bure then, and what they've done is kindly sent us a bottle of this because we didn't really want to brew that much and not drink it.
I think that's what they thought as well.
Yes.
I'll tell you what, colour for colour.
Colour for colour, that's spot on, according to me. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, that's pretty spot on, man.
If Darkrock are improving some of their kits or going through their kits again, this is one of the first ones to be done as an improvement and make it more like the
There's
Leffy.
not a lot in the nose either.
I'll tell you what, I don't think I can tell them apart.
Pretty spot on. It's not quite as carbonated as the Leffy, is it? That one?
No,
I'm going in.
but I would say, tell you what,
And because it's not carbonated, I'd actually prefer that one. Well, it's carbonated, but not as much.
mine is quite fizzy.
It
Don't
is-
forget I've put
yeah.
yours in like a lager S-type glass as well. And this is probably not the best glass for it to be in.
This is hard work, isn't it?
I'll tell you what,
That's pretty spot on.
they've done a good job there.
Yeah. It's pretty bang on, that.
That's pretty bang on. If you like Leffy, get out down by Darkrock
Get that.
and get
It's
that.
pretty much the damn same
So
thing.
that's pretty damn much the same thing, and it won't be anywhere near the expense a bottle of Leffy is.
No, because Leffy's quite an expensive thing, I believe, in the old supermarkets, isn't it? So
I think it's even quite expensive in JD Wetherspoon's.
yeah.
So yeah, pound for pound, spot on, 10 out of 10 for
I'll move some of these down here. Look.
lightness, everything.
Right then, Brad. So thanks to Darkrock for that one. Thank you, Darkrock.
Yeah.
We're going to move on to some beers that you brewed now, aren't we?
We're going to move on to some beers. We're going to start with those guys at Woodford's. Obviously, this is a Munton's beer range kit. How would you call them? A brewery kit.
It's a
wouldn't
brewery
it?
kit, isn't it? So
Yeah.
obviously they've teamed up with... Who have they teamed up with, Brad?
Woodford's, you Wally.
No, right.
Muntons.
Muntons.
Muntons. Woodford's.
Just Molly, yeah. So yeah, Woodford's Bure Gold. Light roasted pale malts are combined with hops from America and Europe, creating unique aromatic golden ale and citrus notes. Must mention that we bumped into the guys from Woodford's at Peterborough Beer Festival.
We
didn't
did, yes, of course, it's Burgold.
Bure.
Bur.
Bure.
Bur.
Bure.
And we did have this conversation at the guys at Woodford's in
As you can say it either way, so you know. But that's the box, that's what it looks like, folks.
That's the box. Now, the guys at Woodford's there, they did tell us that the head brewer at Woodfordes doesn't really like these kits.
No.
Because people think they're drinking Wordfordes Bure or Woodford's Wherry.
But you're not.
But you're not.
Because obviously you're brewing it with your water and not the water they might use.
Or their yeast.
Or their yeast.
Or grain,
so,
or anything like that.
So these are a malt extract kits to
represent those kits. You're not...
Well, it is there. It's got their logo spattered all over it.
Well, I think it's because the head brewer's probably spent 4 hours brewing like a big batch of Woodford's Wherry. You think you're drinking the same beer? Well, you're not.
I tell you what, that's nice nose, that.
Yeah, nice and gold. Yeah.
Yes, I mean it's quite cold out on Brew. It's reasonably clear.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going in.
I'll tell you what.
That's damn fine.
That's damn fine. It might not be an all-grain kit. But I was drinking Beer Gold at Peterborough Beer Festival, and I tell you what, that's not a bad representation.
It is pretty good. It's pretty spot on. We did drink a couple of those, didn't we? And
just to see what that was going to be like, so we can remember to compare, couldn't we? So we could see what it was like.
That's spot on.
That's spot on.
And
That's 10 out of 10.
It's crisp. It's light. It's golden. Does what it says on the tin. 10 out of 10 from me.
10 out of 10.
Well done.
Well done.
Lovely job.
We have had that before. Can't remember if it was 10 out of 10 before. As I say, we're revisiting some of these kits we've done in the past.
Nice.
Yeah, but that's because we're now doing it out of corner cave, doing fruity ampoules, etc., etc.
Cracking beer.
Cracking beer.
Right. Moving swiftly on. Right, we've got another extract kit then, bro. Are you?
Yep.
Single hop Sabro IPA and Mangrove Jack's Craft Series.
Yep.
Lovely jubbly. Oh, 5.6%.
Yeah, you do need a bag of an enhancer or malt extract to get it to that strength.
Comes in one of these area bags, doesn't it? Sort
of
thing. It's all the info on here. We've had these before, but there you go. Look.
Yeah, quite a good kit. You've got like a double sealed pouch compartment in there with your dry hops in there. Again, dissolve your malt extract, dry up after about 5 days. Away you go.
Okay, tasting notes then. It's an IPA with distinctive Sabro hop. Aroma of citrus, tropical fruits, coconut notes, and hints of cedarwood.
Cedarwood, coconut notes?
Is it beer or is it shampoo?
Beer shampoo?
It's a beer shampoo. Extra dry on the palate with an intense lingering bitterness. Pours vibrant gold with a light white head.
Well, it does that. Vibrant gold, light white head. It's not very clear though.
It's a little bit hazy. A little bit hazy, that one, bro. Yeah. But yeah. It's golden and it's got a nice white.
Ooh, strange orangey type of a nose, isn't it? Do you not think? What do you think? Let me just give it a swirl.
I wouldn't say orange. Oh. I'm thinking this is going to be a bit bubblegummy. I'm getting that sort of sweet, sort of candy nose to it almost.
Can you smell the coconut at all? Cedarwood?
No. Don't shampoo with it.
Yeah.
Right, let's go in.
Tell you what, that's cracking.
You know, there is a little hint of coconut in there, maybe.
There is
Slightly.
a little tiny hint if you think about it. I think because you've read it, now you're thinking about it, isn't it? No, it is in there. It's coming through as it dries out on the tongue.
It is super dry on the tongue, it has to be said.
It's very dry on the tongue, unlike coconut, which you think might be a bit sweet. But there's a little hint of it in the background there. A lot of pine notes, a lot of citrus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fab.
Fab.
It does exactly what it says on the packet. Yeah, that's great. 10 out of 10 again for me.
10 out of 10. Very dry though. Very dry. It's like light, dry, crisp, slight coconut. I think that's your cup of tea.
It is. Well, it's not a cup of tea. It's a glass of beer.
Or shampoo.
Or champagne. 10 out of 10 for me. Well, we're doing all right tonight, aren't we?
Hey?
Right then, third beer.
Right, third beer, bro. Third beer.
This is an all grain by looks of it because I've got a bit of an info here, look.
Yeah.
This is a totally brewed 4 Hopmen of the Apocalypse.
From Brewday.
IPA 5%. Totally brewed. 4 Hopmen of the Apocalypse. Little picture of the thing here, too small to show you guys. It says £21 to £32 here. Why is it?
You choose your yeast.
Oh, okay, you choose. A blend of 4 hops, this beer creates notes of orange blossom and pine.
Oh.
Light gold in colour with a West Coast bitterness. This is a satisfying pale that keeps you coming back for more. A special house secret blend of 2 yeasts are used in this recipe. There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, right. This kit's from Brewday. They came together with some local breweries. Totally Brewed being one of them. Rob there at Totally Brewed collabs makes that beer, releases a recipe, etc. And they come up with this.
First whiff, I didn't get a lot of nose then, but.
Oh, I don't
Oh,
know.
I am now. Oh, give it a
It's
swirl.
all right.
Oh. Yeah, there's all sorts going on in there, isn't there? That's a complex beer.
Did it say what hops are in it?
And let me have a look, bro.
Because it says 4 Hopmen, so you would have thought there'd been 4 hops on the ingredient list. Down there.
Ingredient list down here tells you the malt. Right, and Aurora,
Oh.
Brew's Gold hot pellets, Cascade, and Sentinel.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okie dokie.
Yeah. Here we go then.
Here we go.
Cheers,
then.
bro.
Cheers, bro.
Ho ho ho!
Well, there's lots of flavours going on there, isn't there? First off, I noticed, obviously you can now remove it to full grain, it's a lot more rounded. I can taste that dryness of the Sentinel mixed in with those other hops that was in there.
That is stunning beer.
Award winning, I would say.
Stunning beer, that.
Yeah.
I can see why you did them in this order.
Yes.
Because if you had this one first,
The others have been 8s.
they're not going to compare. On their own, before you drink this,
Yeah.
they're fantastic beers.
Yeah.
You drink that's another planet.
Yes.
That's brilliant, bro.
Oh, another planet.
It's 10 out of 10. It's an all grain from me.
Yes.
Is it 10 out of 10 from you?
Yes, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. Ah, that's fantastic.
Put it on the list!
It's got it on the list. Yes, it's got it on the list of the. It's the all grain beer kit list of 2022.
Ever expanding list.
Ever expanding. It's going to be a really hard job time to get another 4 months out of the way when we get
That
to see it.
is, that's brilliant beer.
Yeah.
Great. Well, that's it. And 3 10 out of 10s.
Yeah.
You can't get much better than that.
No.
Right. So I'll tell the viewers what's coming next time.
Stay tuned for next time's episode.
Next
Subscribe now.
Subscribe now. In his best film voice. Brewday, Bang the Elephant.
Now, Bang the Elephant's the brewery.
Okay. Brewday is that.
Yeah.
Bang the Elephant.
Yeah.
Benjo Bironga. Oh, I can't. What?
Benjo Baronga Goss.
Yes, of course. Of course it is. Benjo Baronga, of course. Yeah.
Goss or Gus. How do you say G-O-S-E?
G-O-S-E. I don't know confused. How do you say G-O-S-E? Goss?
Whatever it is, it's a sour, so you'll like that one.
Benjo Baronga Goss. Oh, there you go.
That's got 15 limes in it.
Oh, good God, that's not going to go well, is it?
You'll love that episode, I can assure you.
Right, I can taste it now. Mangrove Jacks, a Pina Colaga. I see what they've done there.
Yeah.
Pina Colaga.
Yeah. So that's a
Oh, we've had too much of this.
So that's obviously a lager.
Yeah.
Tastes like a pina colada.
Oh, next time it's going to be a bit strong in it. Oh, there, look. Malt Miller, Bowwood Best Bitter. Oh, that's better. That's all right. We've got
It's
bitter in
nice,
there.
simple, best bitter there.
I'll have that one first then next time. Before them others. Oh, they're going to blow your head off there. Well, that's about it for this.
That's about it. 3 great beers. I would just like to point out to those not more of you at home, there's just a little bit more eyesight there. We have got the new 365 beer engine here.
It's a thing of beauty, bro.
It is indeed.
Yeah, I like it.
I bought this off a guy on Facebook, on Marketplace. He sent it to me. I didn't buy it direct from 365, but it works perfectly. Yeah, it's great.
Yeah,
It looks lovely.
Works great, doesn't it?
Just works the same as the other Ampoules did.
Lovely.
Except I haven't got no chamber in there this time. Yeah. With this engine over here, it's an old Angram beer engine. You have like a chamber inside.
Right, yeah.
So there's always that first bit of beer you're going to get's been in that chamber overnight. Might be a little bit off.
Yeah.
So you tend to throw that little bit away. With the 365, there's no wastage. There's no chamber. It just comes straight in a built-in check valve, and away you go. But that's fairly good, isn't it?
It looks straight out of the bar, bro. It looks straight out of the bar.
Yeah.
If you're watching us on any other thing besides that there YouTube, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button if you like us. If you don't, then don't. Make a comment, do what you like. It's great.
Yeah, thank you to all those subscribers that do come out. I do appreciate it. I'm a little bit busy. Sometimes I get reply, sometimes I
Mental
don't.
man here sometimes, isn't it? There you go.
Well, until next time, it's goodbye from him.
And it's goodbye from him. To the king, I believe, this time.
Huzzah!
Huzzah!
To the king!
To the king! Fantastic.